Tokyo is not just a city, it's a living, breathing organism, constantly in motion yet grounded in an ancient rhythm. Over the decades, Tokyo has undergone a transformation so profound that even its own skyline seems to shift like a mirage. From a post-war recovery to becoming one of the most dynamic capitals on Earth, Tokyo's growth has been nothing short of astonishing. With a population exceeding 37 million in the greater metropolitan area, it stands as the most populous urban expanse in the world. Yet somehow, it never feels chaotic in the way one might expect. The secret lies in the character of the Japanese people. Their culture of respect, order, and quiet efficiency turns the sprawling megacity into a place of remarkable harmony. Crowds move with the precision of clockwork, trains arrive with unwavering punctuality, and even in the most bustling districts, a sense of calm underlies the motion. This balance between high energy and serenity is a hallmark of Tokyo's identity. The Japanese approach to life is infused with attention to detail, a trait visible in everything from the way shopkeepers greet customers to the immaculate presentation of a simple cup of tea. In Tokyo, the smallest gesture is treated with as much care as the grandest display. This cultural DNA is what makes the city's transformation so unique. While technology, architecture, and lifestyles have modernized at breathtaking speed, the underlying spirit has remained deeply rooted in tradition. Tokyo's people also have an unmatched flair for entertainment, and nowhere is this more evident than in the city's restaurants. Dining here is never just about food, it's about experience. A meal can feel like a performance, where chefs work with the precision of artists and the showmanship of entertainers. In some venues, diners are drawn into interactive experiences, laughter, music, and theatrical flair turning the act of eating into a memorable adventure. In others, the quiet concentration of a sushi master transforms a single bite into an art form. Restaurants in Tokyo are often microcosms of the city itself, compact spaces brimming with energy, creativity, and an undercurrent of refinement. Japanese hospitality, known as omotenashi, is not simply about service, it's about anticipating a guest's needs before they are even spoken. This creates an atmosphere where visitors feel genuinely cared for, whether in a tiny, hidden izakaya or a bustling modern dining hall. Entertainment extends far beyond the plate. Tokyo's nightlife pulses with variety, from whimsical, themed restaurants that immerse guests in fantastical worlds, to venues where live performances unfold between courses. Storytelling, music, comedy, and even interactive games weave seamlessly into the dining experience. In some places, meals turn into friendly competitions, with diners cheering each other on. In others, the pace slows, inviting patrons to savor quiet conversations over meticulously prepared dishes. What's fascinating is how Tokyo's entertainment culture reflects the broader personality of its people. There is a love of novelty, a willingness to experiment, and a drive to push creativity to its limits, yet always with an underlying sense of decorum. Even in the wildest themed eateries, there's an unspoken understanding of respect for the space, the staff, and fellow diners. Tokyo's transformation is not just about glass towers, neon signs, or high-speed trains. It's about the evolution of a mindset. The city has managed to absorb global influences without losing its soul. Modernity here does not erase tradition, it coexists with it. The result is a city where futuristic technology and centuries-old customs blend effortlessly. The story of Tokyo is the story of resilience and reinvention. It's a city that has faced destruction, economic upheaval, and relentless change, and each time, it has emerged not just rebuilt but reimagined. The Japanese people's ability to adapt without sacrificing their cultural identity is at the heart of this transformation. Today, Tokyo is both a model of urban innovation and a guardian of heritage. It is a place where the world's largest population center can feel surprisingly personal, where strangers stand shoulder to shoulder yet maintain an invisible space of respect, and where entertainment is not merely a pastime but a celebration of life itself. In the end, Tokyo's magic lies in its contradictions, a metropolis of movement and stillness, tradition and invention, intimacy and vastness. It is a city that transforms without losing itself, powered by the spirit of its people and the joy they find in both the everyday and the extraordinary.